Hi there. Today we have come to one of a very historic cluster of villages, Arosi, Koeli and Cansaulim. In our My Goem episode, we are trying to get you those festivals which are celebrated purely in the Goan way. This village is still retaining its intangible heritage in the form of farming, and we have got cows and buffaloes that we can see around, and behind me you can see a banner over there which says "Welcome to the Three Kings farm." Today we have come here to the village of Cansaulim to bring to you the feast of the Three Kings. In Goa, this feast is celebrated at three places. One at Reis Magos in the Church of the Three Kings. The second in Chandor in Nossa Senhora de Belém. And third, it is celebrated here together by these three villages, the Koeli, Arosi and Cansaulim, where they enact the story of the three kings coming to visit the baby Jesus. Now, this is one village that you must come every 6th of January to see how beautifully they enact it. And don't forget your camera, because you can create wonderful memories. Over a period of time, things will change. Please create these memories. Now, in this village, the three kings, the three young boys who are selected by the villages to enact as the prince, ride a horse with a royal umbrella on top, carrying their pennant, and they come through traditional routes and they get together at a place or a bhat, a coconut grove, which is called as the Three Kings farm. So let us see how these three kings ride up to this farm, and then we will take you right on top of the hill to show you how the feast of the Three Kings is celebrated here in Cansaulim. And by the way, you may know this, you may not know this, but this feast is also called as the Koninganche Fest. We will show you what type of potatoes or a variety of potatoes are being sold over here. So here we are awaiting the arrival of the three kings from Koeli, Arosi and Cansaulim. So let's go and wait for them. They come from the traditional pathways from these three villages, and they come and they rest in one bhat, which they call as the Three Kings bhat. Now here they rest for some time. Rest, or whichever king comes first stops over there and waits for the other kings. And when they are resting there, the people are offered their crowns. They wear the crown of the kings is put on the heads of the people, the devotees. It's one way of blessing. Also, there is one more thing that is there. There is a big pot of kanji, rice that is cooked and kept there. Those people who come walking from far away, they are tired, they are hungry, they can have it over there. And then, after the three kings come together, the crown is put on the head of everybody. Then the procession starts to climb the hill to go up to the chapel of Our Lady of Remedios. This chapel of Remedios is situated right on top of the hill. The view from there is wonderful. But ladies and gentlemen, do not try to walk up that hill at 10 o'clock in the morning, because the heat is too much. And if you do want to travel up, please carry a lot of water with you and an umbrella, or wear a cap. I always wear a cap. I always carry a camera. That is because you have to first protect yourself, and then you have to create memories. After walking up on top, the chapel over there, which you see featured in many Indian movies, there is a pandal that has been put up there, and then these three kings reach over there and they rest their crowns on the altar of Our Lady of Remedios. the Mass was said by the most revered, the Archbishop of Goa, Philippe Neri-Ferrand. People come in hundreds. Not only the local people, but lot of foreigners too, because they don't get to see this enactment of the Three Kings journey, which they can see almost live.
Chimpat Kabuksun, Amka Sasnancha Chivita Pavon. Amen. Że nami दुसऱ्यांची सेवा चाकरी करता गोरजेवंतांक पावतां आकांताक सांपडलेल्यांक मजत करतां तेन्ना आमी जेजूच्या पातशायपणान आमकां वांटो मेळ्ळा म्हूण आमच्या दिसा दिसपट्ट्या जिवितान आंकवार मारये भाशेन दाखयता. दुसरे सुवातेर हे विद्वान जेजूक धूप पेटयता आनी धूप पेटोवन जेजू याज्ञीक आणि या याज्ञिकपणान तांकां आनी आमकां वांटो आसा म्हूण दाखयता.
दिलवासुया हीच पोरो संबरवताना आयज आमी जेजूच्या आत परपटणेचो उगडास करता.
Now that these three kings have reached up there is something that I must tell you. This I heard when the father was telling the Mass. In actuality, when the three kings were going to meet the baby Jesus, they were guided by a star. But King Herod wanted to put an end to baby Jesus because of a prophecy. Now the three kings knew this, that's why they are called as wise men. They came, they were guided, they met the baby Jesus, offered him incense and gold and whatever they had to offer, but they did not take the journey along the same route back again. They went on another route. Now this particular thing is enacted in the same way. They come from below the hill from the east side, but when they are going back, they get down from the west side. They travel through the fields and then they stop at different places using the crown to bless. The different aspects of Goa, I want you to be safe. I want you to enjoy it. And I want you to tell your happy memories to the people not only in Goa but who are spread all over the world. This episode of mine of My Goem and the Three Kings Festival, also called as the Festival of Epiphany or the Feast of Epiphany, is available on the net. Please see it. There is an email here. Please write to us. You have any suggestions? Let us know. Many of us, many of our Goan brothers and sisters have settled in Australia, New Zealand, America, UK. They would love to see this. Please recommend this program from Prudent. My Goem is the name, and we are trying to get to you the many lesser known festivities and aspects about Goa. It may be ruins, it may be churches, it may be temples, it may be mosques. It may be festivals, it may be feasts, it may be zatras. But we are going to get those things to you which you may not have seen and which you would want to see. Now, why have we come here to the St. Thomas Church of Cansaulim? Because though the festival and the horses start from the individual houses in the individual villages, they all gather over here, and this is the end point of their procession. Then they proceed to their houses. Now, just for your assistance, if you are planning to come here next year, every year on the 6th, you can see this festival here, you can see it at Reismagus, and you can see it at Shandor. But if you are coming here, you have to be prepared to walk a lot and to bear the sun a lot. We will wait here, we will see these young boys riding the horses and their entourage coming over here, and this brings to an end the festivities of the Three Kings. After coming down from the hill and passing through all the villages, finally it has come. You can see the procession behind me over here. It has come, and it is now going to end or culminate here near the St. Thomas Church at Cansaulim. So let's wait and watch what happens. have come now to one of these king's house where we saw a horse. The name of this horse is Gajanan. Lovely horse, a beautiful horse, and these horses are brought from Kolhapur. Let us find out from them how they come here and whether they bring this every year. Apla nav?
Sudhir Vadangekar.
We are here with Sudhir Vadangekar and he has come with this horse. Vadangekar साहेब, आपण ही घोडा कोल्हापूरहून इथं घेऊन येत आहे. कसं आणतायत त्याला?
ट्रॅव्हल्सनं गाडीनं.
गाडीनं? त्यांना टेम्पोमध्ये घालून इथं आणतात. ओके, हा त्रास देत नाही का? काही त्रास देत नाही. ओके, आणखी तुम्ही इथं फक्त ह्याच प्रोग्रामला येता? वार्षिक प्रोग्राम की कधी कधी बोलावलं तर यायचं?
वार्षिक प्रोग्राम येतो आणि आधीमध्ये लग्नाचे वगैरे कामं असतात ना, हॉटेल वगैरे.
ओके,
त्या फंक्शनला बी येतो आम्ही.
ओके, आणखी तुम्ही किती चार्ज करता असे येऊन एका प्रोग्रामला? एक आपली ह्या घोड्यावर बसून त्यांना न्यायचं आहे?
ते मालक ठरवतात, आम्ही कामावर लोक आहे ना.
ओके, हे पण रेंज काय असतो?
रेंज कमी एक 15,000 रुपये रेंज एका घोड्या.
व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी
एक
गुड.
घोडा घेतला तर
हां,
15,000 रुपये. जर
ओके.
एका घोड्यासाठी पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्हाला जास्त पैसे द्यावं लागतात.
ओके.
आता 3 घोडे आले तर ट्रॅव्हल खर्च कमी पडतो.
Okay, okay. So here we have been told that to bring one horse, it becomes a little bit of a problem, a little bit of expense. But since they are getting 3 from one place, the travel expense becomes less. So here we have got Gajanan, who has been a part of this festival of the Three Kings. So let us say bye to Gajanan for a job well done. Thank you, Gajanan. In this episode of My Goem, we have brought to you the Feast of Epiphany or the Three Kings Feast that is held at the Cansaulim, Kueli and Arosi villages. I am also very sure that parts of it you may not have known. It's a real rush time up there, but the feast is beautiful. We took you right from the time the kings arrived from their respective villages till the time they went to their house. We will keep on getting a lot of such type of festivals through Prudent and My Goem. I have with me very good cameramen who are trying to capture the best of these festivals for you. My request to you from My Goem, the Prudent and my cameraman, that please let us know how you like this program. I am sure you will have your suggestions. Please write to us on the email that you get over here on your screen. Please let us know. Till we meet again, Moga Sudi. Bye-bye.